guys, welcome back to another video on Giddy Bit Gaming. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and turn on that bell ding so you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. That was actually getting to the video. Whoosh. Hey guys, so we are actually gonna listen to fart sound effects, and I'm not a big fart sound expert. Here's my friend Quinn.
Hi.
She begged me to do this, so you guys are gonna hear how disgusted I am by this stuff.
Yeah, she's gonna do a lot of stuff.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm out.
That's wet fart. That's me. That's me.
Ow. Ow.
Diarrhea.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
I'll tell you when it's over. Okay.
I'm about to throw up, you guys.
How much diarrhea are they having?
I don't know.
Okay. Combo. Narrow.
Yeah, I get
Wide. Bomb. Can't really. Vomiting sounds. Okay, there's another one. Chipmunk fart sound.
Okay, guys, we're also going to do keyboard sound effects, but that's part 2. So if you guys love this video, make sure you guys go to watch the other one. Bye, guys!